This is Mama Miche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, smoked ribs and chicken with Memphis Mojo Rubbed. Yes, this week in the Magic Kitchen, we won't be in the kitchen much at all. It's officially summer, and summer means we smoke. We will let Jeffro do the main course because he is smoking ribs and chicken. I smoke the cannabis, and he smokes the meat. And today, the meat is some smack your mama fall off the bone, slow-cooked Memphis Mojo Rubbed ribs and chicken. Low and slow. That's the secret of perfect smoked meats. That and his special Memphis Mojo Rub, entirely his creation that we went through many versions to arrive at. If you know my hubster, you know the Virgo in him makes him profoundly focused, and he experimented and kept records of every single detailed alteration of his recipe. It really went from great to mouthgasm. To top it off, he created a delectable barbecue sauce. If you like it saucy, you'll love this. Now, here's the shocker about our new blend and sauce. No sugar. I have a history of diabetes on my side of the family, and Jeff is pre-diabetic, so we really steer away from foods that contain added sugar. The more processed the food, the less likely to have any health benefits. As we get older, and as all people blessed to advance in age know, it's not fucking easy. If you suffered any trauma in your life, and so many of us have, we survived that, now we have to survive the repercussions of all that, and possibly the repercussions of the not so healthy ways we dealt with the trauma in the past. The best we can do now is be grateful to still be here and treat our bodies and the time we have left with reverence and respect. Most of all, have fun, eat well, and let Mama Miche help make your kitchen magic. Support a small mom and pop biz. Buy, like, share, subscribe.
I'm so lucky to be married to you. Really good, huh?